Let me show you how to get started with Minimalist Counter Pro. You can use the hosted version instantly or download the files and run it locally. Click New Counter to create your first tracker. Name it anything you want: workouts, deep work, reading, anything. Tap plus to increase, minus to decrease, or set a custom value if you're starting from a specific number. You can create as many counters as you need. Each one is saved automatically in your browser. Switch between light and dark mode and enable sound feedback if you want a tactile feel. You can reset or rename counters anytime. Keep your workspace clean and focused. Use the counter alongside your Notion dashboards, daily routines, or deep work sessions. Keep it open during your workday for instant momentum. That's it. Simple, clean, and designed to help you stay consistent.